What's cracking, Jump Nation? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Line you guys up to make sure that you melt fat in minutes and look epic and get heads turning at your gym, because that is what this channel is all about, guys, to get you skipping like a boss. What's up, YouTube family? The Jump Rope Coach here. Just want to say a massive thanks for helping me build this community with you all. You guys are absolutely incredible. Your support is my oxygen, and all I want to do is create more and more value for you all. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be up to date with all the latest tutorials and workouts coming your way. So without further ado, guys, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.